Have you ever dreamed of a shirt? Maybe it was perfectly pressed and spotless, or maybe it was torn or stained. Something that looks so ordinary might actually carry a much deeper meaning from your subconscious. A shirt is like a part of our identity in daily life. So what could this symbol be trying to tell us in dreams? Let's find out together. Seeing a shirt in your dream often reflects how you present yourself to the world. A shirt is the outer image you show, almost like personal armor that shapes how others see you. If your shirt looks clean, tidy, or stylish, it usually shows confidence and comfort in expressing yourself. But if the shirt looks dirty, torn, or messy, it might suggest a period where you feel misunderstood or unorganized inside. These dreams don't just relate to appearance. They often point to inner confusion or emotional clutter. Dreaming of a new shirt signals renewal, confidence, and the start of something fresh. It's like your subconscious telling you you're ready for a new chapter. An old, faded, or torn shirt, on the other hand, often represents lingering emotions or unfinished business from the past. It's your inner voice saying, maybe it's time to let some things go. If the shirt is wrinkled, it can mean you've overlooked some details or feel unprepared in a situation. These small cues are reminders from your mind that you might need more structure or focus in your daily life. Colors speak volumes in dreams. They reflect emotional tones. White shirt, purity, honesty, and peace of mind. You may be simplifying your life or seeking clarity in a situation. Blue shirt, calmness, communication, and trust. Seeing a blue shirt can mean you're striving for emotional balance or harmony in relationships. Black shirt, mystery, or repressed emotions. It can mean you're keeping something to yourself or processing feelings privately. Red shirt, passion, energy, and determination. This color often connects to confidence, motivation, and a bold mindset. No matter the color, how the shirt fits is just as symbolic. If it fits perfectly, it shows self-acceptance. If it's too tight or too loose, it might mean you're feeling pressured or not entirely comfortable with how things are. Wearing a shirt in your dream usually represents preparing for something new, a role, responsibility, or opportunity. It could be about stepping into a new phase in your career, relationships, or personal life. Taking off a shirt, however, is about release, letting go of pressure or the need to appear a certain way. It can symbolize emotional freedom or the desire to stop pretending. If someone else is putting a shirt on you, it suggests outside expectations, others trying to shape how you're seen. It's a reminder to stay true to who you are. Buying a shirt represents change or self-renewal, adopting a new outlook or identity. You might be stepping into a new version of yourself. Losing your shirt, on the other hand, can reflect fear of losing control or self-identity. It's that unsettling feeling of, I don't even recognize myself right now. Giving a shirt to someone symbolizes empathy and connection, your willingness to share and emotionally support others. If someone gives you one, it's a sign of appreciation, trust, or emotional support coming from those around you. These moments often show how your relationships are evolving and how you adapt to that change. A shirt might seem like a simple piece of clothing, but in dreams, it's a powerful reflection of your inner self. It reveals how you balance your private emotions with your public image. Even the smallest details, color, condition, or fit, can uncover important insights about your current state of mind. If you enjoy decoding symbols like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Because sometimes the smallest details carry life's biggest messages.